Roy, pack it up, lads. We're moving. Little stroll into Jerry's line. Section Nothing to worry about. Right there. Make it snappy. Digging out the section command post.
Light infantry sections on standby.
Royal Engineers, eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position.
The lads are accounted. Raise in the colours.
Section command's done. Let's get men on the front line pronto. Spark up while there's time.
What have you got?
Head into the bush.
Not had orders in yonks. Smack at the point needs to be ours, right? We're taking that position. Ground needs taking, boys. Sappers, eager as we'll ever be.
Where are we going? Hop to... We'll have it in no time at all. Australian infantry are in reserve.
Sappers reporting. Position taken. What's the task?
We hear you've got trouble. Secure and
A
locate.
Dingo recon vehicle has been made ready.
Taking ground.
All yours. Moving out, chums.
That was a little too easy,
Sappers, back after point.
Making headway to the target.
We're losing a munitions point to enemy action.
From them.
Sappers, reporting. We've got all... What's Jerry's is ours. Can we blow it up now?
Here. Heading on and out.
Let's get rolling,
They won't
lads.
see this coming.
Dingo under enemy fire!
Secure it.
Full stop!
Aussie's here.
All right!
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Get this place.
All right!
down.
Keep your knickers on! I think we got their attention, lads! Sappers, we're taking that position. Do something! I think we got their attention, lads! Hold tight! Come on! The terror! MG's hitting us! MG through! Order! Sappers, pin down! We need out!
Aussie rifles up. Asses in gear.
What's that order? Come on, chaps, we've got to move! I think we're... Take your stations, we're heading out. I think we got their attention, lads! All scout cars in trouble here! Foot down, driver! Make a move! Who's hit? Go! Go! Bloody go!
Where are we going? Setting our sights
Back
and
up!
moving out.
Back us up!
An infantry section of Tommies has been trained.
Rifle section away. Recce
Package incoming. Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
All right, moving forward. We hear you've got trouble. Let's get some blisters for your blisters. The lads are
17-pounder and Bofors emplacements are available for construction.
Sappers back to full numbers.
prepared position. Right here.
Recce package here.
Quiet down.
And listen up. Come on, ladies. Forward down.
Time to march, boys. Come on. What? Ah, now we're talking.
Flamethrowers come in.
We have infantry support. Australians, no less.
You need lighting. All right, moving forward. What have you got? Setting our sights and moving out. Where do you lollygag?
The enemy has claimed a sector.
Stop! Fire requested! Firing mortar! Sonic mortar! Boys, it's location.
Fully reinforced.
Time to march, boys. Come on. Sappers,
Rifles
report
up!
it.
Water tube and crew are available. A munitions point is being overrun.
Weapon team, ready! Right, you
You're the
are.
boss.
Always in. Got your mark. HE! Pay attention! Head into location! We'll get there, but drag you myself! Attention!
Here we go.
Oh, Gary's picking us apart! On the now! Orders complete! Go back to base! Leave it! Enough! All of you! Like we never mind!
We're losing a munitions point.
We have a job to do! Enemy's got us pinned!
Stop move, boys.
Pin down here!
Nancy.
Aussies!
Unlocking production of Stuart light tank. Effector is in enemy control. Stuart light tanks are ready for mustering.
Aussie rats here! The march! You need light infantry? Making headway to target! Aussie weapons here! Get on with it! Reload!
Stow that gear, boys.
We're going.
Sappers.
Stuart's light tank, tracked and ready. Stuart, head into our destination now. Territory sector lost, Commander. Bishop SPGs will be made available shortly.
We're up! Where are we going? Alright! Got your mushroom moving through. Grab the bomb! Must be a
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
Weapon team!
Enemy CP! Shooting contact! I think we got their attention, lads! We can now construct efficient self-propelled artillery. Combat! Shooting guys!
Rifles up! Arse in gear!
Our command points available.
fire's finished. Start patching it up now. We should see the other guy. Sappers on site. What do you need going up? Is it load bearing? Sappers, stow that here, boys. Watch your feet! Grenade! Cover! Get moving! I'll wait again, we're moving!
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
Welders out! Get to repair!
Rounds complete! Cover! Infantry engaging!
Infantry! Let him have it, lads! Get it, Ansi! Give us orders! Fire! We're gonna silence!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
You're in contact! We're going! Oh yeah, we're moving! Away fire!
We're losing a victory point. An Australian weapons team has been killed.
Rocket! Move! Stop the
Victory point under enemy control.
Get it, Ansi! Give us Sappers! Stay back there!
The fuel point is being overrun. Command point should be allotted, Commander. Sappers have orders to over-repair vehicles for the coming fight.
Definitely! We're on it!
Bishop 25-pounder carrier is ready. Enemy ground forces have claimed a sector.
What you got for us?
Where are we going? Indirect fire! Look up!
Let's get rolling, lad. The beggars are threatening a munitions point. Munitions point is being overrun. Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Alright, moving
We're
forward!
raring to go. Hold him for a moment.
Lads are accounted for!
It's Eagle.
The enemy have taken our territory. Artillery carrier and crew on standby.
Taking enemy territory! Doesn't, it'll be ours!
Ready as we'll ever be. On sight! It's gonna get rough! Foot down, driver! Make a move! Come on, chaps, we've got to move! Carefully now, this one's off! What now? We have a surplus of command points, Commander. We're losing a fuel point to enemy action.
Get back!
6-pounder anti-tank.
We hear you've
Got orders to move, so move. We need space.
Suspension shot!
shot.
Incoming combat! Stewart, engage!
Keep reaming room.
We read you! Mike! Mike! Hey, Gordon, yeah. You in sick?
We can conduct supply runs to secure additional resources. Supply run underway. Ensure it is protected.
Setting our sights and moving out. It's done! Come now! Where are we going? Making headway to the target.
Come on, Sam. And here we go. Starting to work.
We quit your lollygagging and march.
Always eager to serve.
What have you got?
ladies, while we're young. Let's
Sandbag
shut your mouth
detail.
and move
Give
your
us some
feet.
breathing room!
Charge one! Let me off dance!
Light vehicles are receiving training, Commander.
Play it to quit whinging and march.
You need light infantry? Yeah, we're ready.
We got orders, lads. Shut your mouth and move your feet.
Seconds here! Back!
We have munitions ready to be used, Commander. Light vehicle crews have completed their training.
Plans are accounted for.
Pay attention, ladies.
Done and done. Pack it up, lads.
Stewart, eager for the...
The Huns have 300 points at the moment.
Self-propelled artillery.
Zappers
Quit
receiving
your
orders.
lollygagging and march.
Royal hatching it up now.
Setting our sights and moving out. Aussie rats here. Start working, lads.
Whinging and march.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Close the action.
Victory point is in enemy hands.
Let's move, Jack. The big weight right
Zappers, let me guess.
We should see the other
Light infantry. Mate, we're ready. Aussie rats here. Job's
You
done.
have 3 command points available.
Rifles up, asses in gear.
They still have 250 points left.
We're moving out. Enemy You're in contact!
Hush up. We're pat on the back, lads.
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
What you got for us?
Slow that here. Hatching it up now.
Ours now.
We're losing a victory point.
Stewart!
He's got orders. Yeah, we're chugging it ready.
We're roaring to go.
Making headway to the target. Hey, come on, commit! Push it!
Bishop 25-pounder carrier is ready. High-risk supply runs may yield the resources we need, Commander.
moving!
Orders carried out!
Getting us
Enemy is down to 200 points.
Want to quit your lollygagging and march!
Ready to go! Good work! Come in! Moving!
Job done! What a beauty!
Artillery trip flares shall be distributed to the men.
You need lighting. Work's done here!
Territory lost.
Where are we going? Blast complete! Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Take distance! Infantry! We've got ourselves a red target! Target! Come on! Give it a little haste! Listen up! All of ya! Working on it!
Instantaneous!
Aussie, let's get some blisters for your blisters! Making headway to target!
A victory point is being overrun. Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Bishop still heading round! 18!
Alright, moving forward! Locked and loaded them off! Follow me! Locked up! Infantry closing on attention!
We have command points available for use.
You've got trouble!
Heading to our destination now.
Man, setting our sights and moving out.
Stuart, reporting! Stuart, report through in reverse! Engines training up! What's the action now?
Oh, we're needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it. We've got orders to move, so move.
Driver, take your time!
Quit whinging and roll.
Cease action! Carefully now! Getting cold, Commander! Bishop, self-propelled up!
Present, head into the location. Pay attention.
Keep the pressure on. They only have 100 points. Receiving reports that an enemy panzer has been destroyed. We're losing a strategic point to enemy action.
Track for myself.
Orders are carried out! We're close the engines! Under fire!
The other guy.
Come on, ladies.
Crossing here! Go for the head! Got him on the back! Coordinates received! Just a flesh wound! Numbers soldiering! Cigarette fire! Where?
Got your mushroom moving
Light
feet.
infantry! Lay into them!
Always eager to serve.
There!
Orders complete.
Press the cover! Order!
Archer TDs ready for construction.
Let's get this over with. Come on, ladies, while we're young. Hold on here. Present and accounted for, sir. Head into the location.
Report from the front. The enemy has 75 points left.
Quiet, quit whinging and march.
Pay attention, lazy buggers. Fire up a flare. Let's see what we're
Now,
seeing.
carefully now, this one's
Got orders.
Enough, let's move out! This'll wake a bloody machine gun! Get out of his range!
The fuel point is being overrun.
Orders. Apparently it's better over there.
New orders!
Here we go. Taking hits.
In contact! Call up support!
Hold your asses. Awaiting instructions, sir. Get moving.
What? Go! Guys! I mean, we'll get there, but... Enemy tank! Will it be, sir? Water!
Last man up to plan. They're down to only 50 points.
Go! We'll get there! Hold it! Stop!
Jerry got one of our squad.
Give us some breathing room.
We're losing a victory point. The enemy has our victory point now. The strategic point is being overrun. The enemy has pushed us back from our sector. Archer tank destroyers are available.
Come on, Jack, we've got 'em all. Carefully now, this one's full.
Moving out!
Change your list, forward up.
Eyes open.
Oh, blimey! Ready, change up.
We're losing a fuel point.
Standing by.
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands. The Tiger Terror is no more. Engines chugging along. Give us some breathing room. Let's move, Jeff. We've lost the sector. Not plugging into fire. Come in. Okay. The enemy have only 25 points left. Hey, Albert! Reverse! Once more under the feet. 10 points remain.
Victory is ours. Any excuse to crack out the good stuff.